Good morning, students. Today we will read on the topic that is matrix plus 2 commerce second year. So, what is matrix? A matrix may be defined as an orderly arrangement of some numbers and symbols in certain rows and columns enclosed by some brackets and denominated by some capital letters. See. This is the format of a matrix. It should be always be named by a capital letter, by some capital letter. It can be A, B, C, D, E, F up to Z. So I have written A. A is equal to, I have given some numbers. You can represent any number. I have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The thing is that what I have written over here, this is known as order 3 cross 3. How it is read? 3 cross 3. It means 3 rows and 3 columns. 3 rows and 3 columns. So which one is the row? This one, row 1, row 2 and row 3. This is column 1, column 2 and column 3. Similarly, for order 2, 2 cross 2, 2 row and 2 column. So I have written 2 cross 2. Okay, here 3 cross 3, 3 rows and 3 columns. Okay, then comes the characteristics. It consists of some numbers or symbols. That means inside this matrix you can put numbers and symbols also. Second point, it consists of some rows and columns. That means it has to be arranged in rows or columns. Okay. Third point, it must be subscripted by the magnitude of its order. So I have written magnitude of its order 3 cross 3 or 2 cross 2. It must be denominated by some capital letters. That means it can be written as A or B or C or D, any number, any capital letter. Okay. Then read about different types of matrix. First one is the row matrix. A matrix that consists of only one row. Suppose I have written A is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. In a single row I have written. So if it is written in single row, it is known as row matrix. Okay. Then comes column matrix. So what is column matrix? A matrix that consists of only one column. So I have written it in column. This is column. And सीधा लिख ले column बुझा जीवा. Okay. Then zero or null matrix. A matrix that consists of zeros only. If in a matrix you will write only zeros. Suppose here I have written only zeros. Suppose I will write another matrix, suppose B. I will write only 0, 0 and 0. It is also a zero matrix. Okay. But here the capital letter cannot be represented as B or A. So I have wrongly written. So it should be, you should not put A or B, you should put O. For zero matrix you have to put O. Okay. Then singleton matrix. A matrix that consists of one element only. The one element means suppose in A there is only 2, in B there is only 5. So only single element should be there in a matrix. That is known as singleton matrix. Then square matrix. A matrix that has equal number of rows and columns. That means जतिक रो अच्छी सतिक column रहो. 3 rows 1, 2 and 3, columns 1, 2 and 3. So it will be considered to be a square matrix. Okay. Then comes 6th number. Diagonal matrix. A square matrix in which all the principal diagonal elements are non-zeros and all other elements are zeros. What does it mean? The principal diagonal elements, that means here 2, 3, 4 written. This is the principal diagonal element. In this diagonal part, you have to write the numbers. Any number, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, whatever you want to write. But the rest part should consist of zeros only. Only in this part you have to write the number, and on the upper and the lower part you have to keep zeros. Then only it is known as a diagonal matrix. That means diagonally you are writing. That's why it has been named diagonal matrix. Then scalar matrix. a diagonal matrix in which all the leading diagonal elements are equal. If all the elements of the diagonal are equal, suppose here 3, 3, 3 equal, then it will be considered to be a scalar matrix. All other will be 0, but only the diagonal will be 3. It is same as that of diagonal, but here it can be same or different, but here it should be same. For scalar matrix it should be same. It can be also considered to be as a diagonal matrix. Got the point? But specifically we can say as scalar matrix because all the diagonal elements are equal. Okay. Then unity or identity matrix. A square matrix in which all the leading diagonal elements are unity or 1 and all others are zeros. It is also same where all the diagonal elements are unity or 1. That means you have to keep only 1, 1, 1 and all other elements will be 0. Then only it will be considered to be as unity or identity matrix. And it should be represented by I. I stands for identity matrix. I stands for identity matrix. Okay. And the rest part I will give you in the next video. Okay. I hope you understood. Thank you.